Hi everyone, this is Bev from the Make Your Own Zone, and this is going to be a quick little tutorial on the knit slipper pattern and how to do the short rows. The short rows is a way to do shaping for this slipper. Where you don't have the short rows, it gets narrower, and that creates the toe of the slipper. And where you do have the short rows, it's wider, which creates the back part of the slipper where you sew together to make the heel. So this is a finished one. Here's one that's partially completed, and I'm going to show you how to do the short rows. A short row is basically a row in knitting that you don't complete all the way. You go part way and then turn around and come back. The short row on this slipper pattern is 20 stitches, even though we have 32 stitches total here. So to make our short row, you're going to knit 20 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then instead of proceeding along to the rest of the row, we're going to turn our work. And the short rows in this particular pattern are done in stockinette stitch. So we're going to purl going this direction. So in this pattern, we slip the first stitch purlwise and then purl these stitches back to the beginning of the row again. And so this is a way to create shaping that's wider at one end of a piece than the other end of the piece, and that works out well for a slipper pattern, like I said, to make it narrower in the toe area of the pattern. So that's all there is to short rows. Rather than complete the whole row, you turn your work and just go back the other direction. So that is the end of our short row here. And as you can see, we now have this little bit of white that's going to be another one of these stripes. The next row, we're just going to use our other color and we're going to go all the way across. Even when we get to this part here, we're just going to continue onward and do all 32 of the stitches. So that's how to do a short row with this slipper pattern. I hope you enjoy the pattern.